Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to our drive along the scenic US Highway 98, near Eastpoint, Florida. Nestled in Franklin County, Eastpoint is a working waterfront town known for its rich seafood industry and scenic views of Apalachicola Bay. This area is part of Florida's Forgotten Coast, a region celebrated for its unspoiled landscapes and authentic fishing communities. US Highway 98 serves as a vital artery through Eastpoint, offering travelers picturesque views of the bay and easy access to nearby attractions. The highway stretches along Florida's Gulf Coast, connecting various coastal towns and providing a scenic route for those exploring the region. As the drive progresses, the landscape showcases a blend of rustic seafood markets, docks lined with fishing boats, and glimpses of the pristine bay waters. The area is also a gateway to natural reserves and parks, offering opportunities for outdoor activities like fishing, boating, and wildlife observation. Eastpoint's commitment to maintaining its traditional way of life while embracing visitors makes it a unique and welcoming destination along Florida's Gulf Coast.